In this video, we're going to be solving this question. What is 81 as a product of its primes? So in order to do that, what you do is you split up 81 into different factors. Okay, so 9 times 9 makes 81. However, 9 isn't a prime number. We split 9 up into its factors, 3 and 3, and these are prime numbers. And over here, we split this 9 up into 3 and 3, and these are prime numbers as well. Okay, so what we do is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, all these 3's. Okay, also known as 3 to the power of 4, and that will equal 81. Okay, so that's how you solve this question. 3 to the power of 4 equals 81. Any questions, just leave it down in the comments section below.